Welcome to
Study time, kids.
Sun. Sun.
The sun is shining brightly.
Moon. Moon.
The moon looks beautiful tonight.
Earth. Earth.
The earth is our home, and we should protect it every day.
Sky. Sky.
The sky is clear and full of beautiful clouds today.
Cloud. Cloud.
The clouds are floating slowly across the bright blue sky.
Star. Star.
The stars are shining brightly in the clear night sky.
Planet. Planet.
There are many amazing planets in our solar system.
Rain. Rain.
The rain is falling gently, making the air cool and fresh.
Snow. Snow.
Snow is covering the mountains, creating a peaceful winter landscape.
Wind. Wind.
The wind is blowing gently through the trees on a sunny afternoon.
Animal. Animal.
Every animal plays an important role in keeping nature healthy.
Bird. Bird.
The bird is singing sweetly in the early morning sunlight.
Insect. Insect.
The insect is crawling slowly across the green leaf.
Reptile. Reptile.
The reptile is resting quietly on a warm rock under the sun.
Tree. Tree.
The tree provides fresh air and cool shade on a hot summer day.
Plant. Plant.
The plant is growing healthy with plenty of sunlight and water.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.